Hi friends, today's our topic is inheritance. What is inheritance? What are the advantages of inheritance? What are the types of inheritance? What is the structure of it? And what are the syntax for inheritance? And thus examples. Firstly, what is inheritance? Inheritance means the mechanism of deriving a new class from an old class is called inheritance. The old class is known as the base class or also superclass or parent class, and the new class is called derived class or subclass or child class. The inheritance allows subclasses to inherit all the variables and methods for the parent or superclasses. Example for it, class B extends. Extends is a keyword of inheritance. It is a keyword. It is used in inheritance. And advantages of inheritance. It is used for code reusability to achieve runtime polymorphism. These are the advantages of inheritance. What are the types of inheritance? There are five types of inheritance: single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, hybrid inheritance. Types of inheritance structures are single inheritance. A superclass have only one subclass is called single inheritance. A superclass has more than one subclass is called hierarchical inheritance. And multi-level inheritance, a superclass has a subclass and subclass has another subclass is called the multiple inheritance level inheritance. And multiple inheritance, it means two superclasses is derived one subclass is called multiple inheritance. And goes to hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance means a combination of any two inheritance is known as hybrid inheritance. And these are the structures of types of inheritance. First one, single inheritance. A single inheritance, a derived class with only one base class, is called single inheritance. It means it also called as a superclass has only one subclass. It is derived only one subclass. It is also called as single inheritance. And syntax for single inheritance, we all we are already know that extends keyword are used in this inheritance, and this way extends are used in this single inheritance. Class subclass name and extends superclass name declare the variables and method declaration. It is the syntax for single inheritance. An example for single inheritance, firstly give an superclass and and declaring a methods, then your subclass, and here subclass dog extends animal. Dog is the subclass, extends means it is in a keyword, animal is the superclass. Subclass extends superclass. Only one extends or keyword is used in this example, then it is called as single inheritance example. Only we are using one time the keyword of extends, then only it is called as single inheritance. Next we know that the main class, given main class and method dot object dot method, creating an object dot methods. And next one, multi-level inheritance. We know about the multi-level inheritance. A derived class derived from another derived class is known as multi-level inheritance. And the syntax for multi-level inheritance: class super, class intermediate extends super, class sub extends intermediate. Here we are using more than one extends keyword. Here using more than one extends keyword. Already creating a superclass, and it is extends subclass extends superclass, means intermediate extends superclass and sub extends intermediate. These are the two levels, then only it is called as multi-level inheritance. And coming to example, class animal, it is in a superclass. We're creating in a method, and dog extends animal, creating in another method. And third one, puppy extends dog, and creating third method. Here more than one extends keyword we are using here, then it is called as multi-level inheritance. And as usual, creating in main method, main class, and creating an object dot method. We know about this, how to create a main method, and this is the multi-level inheritance. Coming to hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance: one base class with multiple derived classes is known as hierarchical inheritance. It means it is also called as one superclass is derived more than one subclass. It is also called as hierarchical inheritance. And the syntax for hierarchical inheritance: firstly creating class 1, and class 2 extends 1, and next also class 3 extends 1. In previous example, we are extending before of the class name, but here extends for the first class. It means one superclass can derive more than one subclass. So it is called hierarchical inheritance. And the example for hierarchical inheritance: firstly, as usual, creating an a class name, and creating in a method what we are giving, and you are giving that. And first subclass 1, dog extends animal, creating in a method, and we are giving the print out system dot out print what we are out giving the output, then only it gives. And we are subclass, giving subclass. Here class cat extends animal. In previous example, we are how to determine it: cat extends dog, but here cat extends animal for the first class name. What we are giving? Animal. Then only we are giving cat extends animal, not dog here. We are extends cat dog. So mean sorry, cat extends dog, and creating another method. And as usual, we are giving main class, hierarchical inheritance class name, public static void main, and creating an object dot method. What we are giving methods: eat, bark, meow. These are the methods we are giving it. And this is the hierarchical inheritance. And finally, we are coming to hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance, it means it is the combination of any two inheritances, is known as hybrid inheritance. It, if it any two inheritance, it is the combination of any two inheritance, is known as hybrid inheritance. And syntax for hybrid inheritance: giving class name class 1 and class 2 extends 1 and creating a class 3 and class 4 extends to 3. It is the combination of, understand, it is the combination of two inheritances. It means class 4 extends 2 and also 3. It is the main point here. Extends 2 and 3 also. It is the syntax for hybrid inheritance. And coming to example, creating in a class name animal and creating method void it system.out.println. You know that what you are printing that you are giving. And here we are using interface printable void print interface showable void show and dog extends animal implements printable showable. Here we are using the implement keyword also. In inheritance we are using implements keyword also used. Here hybrid inheritance we are using implements keyword. Dog extends animal implements printable showable also. Then we are giving public void print system outer println and print public void show. What we are giving the methods printable and showable. Here giving print and show. It is the combination of any two inheritance. Printable and showable. These are the combination of two inheritance. And dog and dog means extends animal implements printable showable. This is the example for hybrid inheritance. These are the types of inheritance and syntax of inheritance, examples of inheritance. Thank you for watching.